gonna vacuum today.
You're already vacuumed.
I know. So guys, I would love for this to be something you could drive with 2 legs and 2 arms. How about that, guys, for a future invention? Right, the vacuuming done instead. Make sure. Okay, so basically, how we clean it is, just so you guys can see, there's this little handle we push, and then have to leave you guys sit there for just 2 minutes, okay guys? So, and you have to, so easy to do, guys. Things might look funny because, oh actually guys, I'm gonna put you for the moment.
stop saying guys, anyway.
Why?
Because you're just copying off daily ones. You're living in America, you don't.
Guys, it's just so easy to do. I just love pulling the handle down. It's so satisfying, guys. Let me know what you find really satisfying, guys.
Here we have down to the
Trash can.
Thank you.
My 2 hands are empty, guys. And then like so. We put the Hoover back on. I don't know why I like it so much, guys. It's just satisfying.
Don't you do that?
Let me know if you have a satisfying Hoover, guys. It really motivates you when cleaning for some reason, guys. But I really love its cleaning, guys. It's a ton of fun. Maybe you guys should get a job in hoovering if you guys like it.
Yeah, be clean.
Some stubborn Hoover. It won't fit on the charger, guys. I'm thinking of doing an underwater vlog, guys. Let me know in the comments if you think.
Listen, there's 2 things on the charger.
Can you shut up, please?
I'm just talking
guys.
to you.
So stubborn.
It won't go on its sideways.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave the vacuum out of the charger because it's taking time, very valuable time.
Here, give me the charger.
Bye.